Draganfly is pleased to announce the second phase of our initial expansion of manufacturing capabilities with a new production facility in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. With the recent launch of our Burnaby facility and our Texas Air Operations Center, we have been able to initiate construction of our new facility to continue the scaling process. The new facility is equipped with state-of-the-art automated machinery designed to meet existing demands and enable Draganfly to achieve market potential for its products and solutions. It will enable the manufacturing and production of UAV systems and components, including those designed for the Draganfly Heavy Lift and Commander 3XL drones, with space to expand our core manufacturing, assembly, integration, and quality control processes. The new Saskatoon facility will be operational by August of this year and incorporates efficient design, testing, and inventory management systems that will result in increased capacity and new product production capabilities. The UAV industry is expanding, and the upcoming Saskatoon facility will support the development of new world-class technologies while scaling production on our existing technologies to meet the current market demand.